What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Underground Militia. Last episode we picked up this 2012 Mustang Coyote 50. It was a salvage title, and you know, we're just kind of finished fixing it up. You know, they did a good job with the body panels and stuff, but it's got a few quirks. You know, the brakes are squeaking and making a lot of noise, so we're gonna replace all of the brakes. We're gonna replace the rotors, the pads, the calipers, everything. So we're gonna completely freshen this brake pit up, and yeah, let's get into it. All right, so the kit that I chose for this project is the Powerstop Z26 series. So we got new rear calipers, new front calipers. We got the Evolution X and Evolution pads right here. We got drilled and slotted rotors. Everything's gonna look super sweet when it's done. It's gonna look nice. So yeah, let's tackle this, guys. Let's get on it.
Everyone's watching it to see what you will do.
All right. We got it jacked up. We got the wheels off. Always be safe. We're using jack stands, of course. So now we just need to get the old calipers off, the rotors off, and then vice versa, put the new ones on. So that's the next step. Since we're taking everything off, I'm gonna take just the entire caliper with the pads off at once. I'm just gonna take the bracket bolts off. It should slide out of the way, and then we just need to we're gonna pinch off the brake line with some vice grips so it doesn't leak everywhere. And then there's one bolt holding the brake line on the caliper. So that's what we're doing. So as we found out, nothing on this car is correctly fastened to the proper specs, which I told Andrew is not really a bad thing, I guess, since we're taking stuff off, but kind of has me worried a little bit. See, look at that, one hand. All right, guys, so we got both the old calipers and rotors off on both sides. So now it's time to slap on the new and then tighten everything down like it's supposed to be. Yeah, so everything's going according to plan. Let's hope it keeps going that way. So
I know it's tight, but oh, yeah, oh.
Nice and
oh.
snug.
You want some more gloves, bro?
Nah. Yeah. All right, guys, so we got the fronts completely done. Moved back to the rear. Rear's going smooth so far. We got the new caliper bracket on. We got the new rotor on. So we're gonna put the pads on now, and what you wanna always make sure you do is you wanna grease up the brackets here for the pads to slide on. Otherwise, you could have some grinding noises, you could have some creaking noises. So you wanna get rid of all those noises. You want the pads to move smoothly in and out. I think that was a bug. So yeah, we're gonna finish up these rears. We'll let the car down, and then we'll do a little bit of B-roll later, and you'll get a good idea to see what these look like.
Jake's using a strong arm.
This is my strong hand.
I'm gonna start pumping now.
Okay. You're good. Hold it.
All right, guys, we're wrapped up on the rotor and brake job we did on this thing. It took a little bit. It wasn't a terrible amount of time. Two guys who don't do this a whole lot. We got it done with no problems, pretty much. And it looks good. And we bled the brakes, made sure everything was tight, not overly tight, because that's how brakes are. And we hope that you got some information out of it and enjoyed the video. So as always, like and subscribe. See you next time.
it.